So good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We are Highlands to Hammocks, in case you didn't know. I'm Campbell.
And I'm Gemma.
I'm not,
got your names mixed
I'm
up
not
there.
Gemma, I know. And yeah, this is just, we're doing a short video now to talk about, you may have noticed if you've been following us on our website and any of our socials that we've actually taken quite a bit of a break from blogging. You know, if you look back on our website, the past 6 or 7 have been guest posts.
Yeah. We've been writing a little bit in the background, but not so much to the standards that we'd be ready to post anything.
Exactly, I know. So this is just a quick video talking about why and what we've been up to, basically. And start off with, I'd just like to say thank you if you are actually following us on YouTube already.
Yeah.
This is a shout out to all of you warriors.
Thank you for sticking along, because
Exactly.
we have been a bit quiet on our YouTube channel. We've been putting out some fitness videos because that's good motivation for us to keep training as well. But apart from that,
And
we have been slow.
this is just a message to say that good things are coming to reward you guys for it. And if you've not followed us already, then you definitely want to get on board, because we are so excited for everything that's going to be happening in the next few months. So let's just take it back a couple of months. We're joining you actually from now, from a beautiful morning in sunny Melbourne. We're just doing a photo shoot, and the sun's risen, the skies are pink, and we're loving life just now. We've been in Melbourne for 2 months, so let's jump back right to the start.
3 months.
3 months. Yeah.
We arrived in December. It is now March. 3 months.
I know. So yeah, let's jump right back to the start and when we first arrived in Melbourne. And so Australia's been an idea, but for us for like forever. We've always wanted to come back. We came here 4 years ago when you were doing a nursing placement.
Yeah.
Five years ago. And yeah, we've been saying it ever since that we wanted to come back here, and we're finally back.
So we arrived in Melbourne start of summer, trying to get over the jet lag and desperate to find some work. So back home I had been working as a nurse, and I had been in the process of applying for APRA, which is the Australian registration sort of thing to work as a nurse over here. So I was waiting for that to all get sorted before I could start finding work. Campbell, you were...
I was, yeah, so I've been hunting for pretty much anything. I've got a degree in engineering. However, yeah, like arriving into Melbourne when we're only going to be here for the next, 3 or 4 months, nowhere's going to hire me as an engineer. So I had no idea what I was going to do. I was basically open to anything. I came to Australia saying, you know, I would clean toilets, I will, you know, do whatever it takes just to earn some cash. Well, I started off in fundraising. I was working in basically as a street nuisance. I work in shopping centres on the streets trying to get people to sign up for charities. Incredibly noble work, you know, like when I get a full-time job I'm definitely going to be doing more of that, because it's not much from our lives, and for these people it means everything. However, that just became too much. There was commuting. I was commuting about 4 hours a day, like 2 hours there and 2 hours back. And Gemma was just about to start nursing, and I was like, no, this is just too much, man. Like, we need to take a step back. This is what we were doing in London. We weren't seeing each other. We were working round the clock. And this isn't the kind of life we want to live when we're in Australia. So I quit that job, jumped back into the unknown, and started job hunting again. My white card had arrived by then, so I got a job in labouring, which was just working with a really nice couple of guys, doing up some houses, and it was actually I found out what it was like to actually enjoy my work again, which is always nice. You know, if you've ever been in a job that you don't enjoy, and then you move to somewhere that you do, you'll understand what I'm saying. It's waking up in the morning and not dreading it. What I'm doing now is I'm working in 3 different jobs actually. I'm doing swim coaching. I was always a swimmer back in the UK, and I did loads of swim teaching and coaching. I finally got a job in that again. The stars just aligned. We saw a job advert online and I just went for it and got a job the next day. So I'm doing coaching, labouring and swim teaching, all on the run up to try and get as much money as we can for, you know, for the next chapter of adventure, which we'll get on to next.
So in amongst all that planning, don't get us wrong, we have been super busy we've been trying to see as much of Melbourne as we can, the surrounding areas. We've been on the free walking tour in the city, which was fantastic. Like, if you come to Melbourne or even any city, I would always recommend starting it on a free
local tours tour. Was it called? Free tours, well,
free.
like apostrophe, I'm free, or free local tours or something. We had a guy called Tom
And
he was awesome. Yeah, he was really, really cool.
So we learnt a lot about Melbourne, and we also then did our own graffiti tour around the city. There's a lot of like beautiful artwork, and we spent a day exploring around all the trail.
It's only within about 6 blocks or something, but there was about 15 different murals, and there's so much more we could have actually crammed in. If you just want to do this yourself, guys, head over to our website. I'll put a link in the bio, and you can go and check that out as well, because there was some really, really beautiful works of art around the city. It's one of the things that Melbourne's most famous for, so definitely hit that up.
We also hired a car
for
a day, for 2 days, which was exciting. And we split it with 2 of our housemates at the time, Phil and Danielle, and also our friend Cassie. And we first ventured to the Grampians, which ended up a little bit of a longer drive than we thought it was going to be, because that's Victoria for you.
I made it from our work, said it was going to be an 1.5-hour drive. So we rented it, picked the car up at 9, and then got in, Google Mapped it, and it was 3.5 hours away.
Yeah.
So we ended up being there for 4 or 5 hours. We got loads of beautiful footage, and the sights are just incredible.
Yeah.
And we've got another place for the bucket list, but we're definitely going to go back again someday.
Sure, it's stunning there.
Yeah. But then the next morning, because we got the van, we got up super early, and got up before sunrise and drove down to the Mornington Peninsula, where again, we just went with our friend Cassie, and we explored all around there. So many beautiful beach shots and scenic lookouts, and it's just an incredible part of Melbourne. So as Gemma said, we've been here for about 3 months now, and unfortunately our time in Melbourne is quickly coming to an end. We'll be leaving in less than 2 weeks. We'll be flying out of Melbourne, and although we'll be returning to it because we're flying back into it, we don't know what the next chapter of our Australia adventure has in store for us, so we'd still need to work that out. However, what is very exciting is the next part of where we're actually heading to, and it's in every single backpacker's bucket list. It's somewhere we've been craving for. We booked this trip about 1.5 years ago, and we are so excited for it. We are off to Indonesia, and we're off to Bali and the surrounding islands around there. We're going to be spending 2 months touring around Bali, Lombok, Java, and all the smaller islands, and just seeing as much as we can. We're so excited for what content we can get there, what sights we can see, and most importantly what amazing people we can meet, because we've already met so many inspirational people on our travels. So we're buzzing for that. And that also means what's next, guys, is we'll be not doing as many vlogs in the foreseeable future. After Bali, we want to try and smash out as many as we can for all the guides and everything like that about Melbourne. But until then, we're mainly focusing on getting as much YouTube content as we can for you guys, and it's going to be sick. We're going to be releasing pretty much weekly, if not every couple of day vlogs we're going to be trying to do, and it's going to be all about Indonesia, all about our time in Bali, and it is going to be wicked. We're so excited for that. But yeah, guys, so that is what is going to be our next chapter of adventure. It's Indonesia, Bali, and as I said, we're super excited for that. If you guys want to follow along and everything that we've got coming up, make sure you ding that bell, like and subscribe to the video, and like and subscribe to us, like the video, subscribe to us, tell us in the comments what you think, and just get buzzing with us, guys, because we've got such an amazing chapter coming up, and we are super excited for it. So join us along on our Bali adventure and stay in touch with us, guys. Head over to, if you want to see live footage of what we're up to, we're all over Instagram, so make sure you check out our Instagram stories and come say hi over there. And also check out all the links we're going to be putting down below. It's all of different guides and stuff like that to our Melbourne experience so far, and we've got so much more content coming, guys. It's super exciting.